Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, as you can see, we have tested a total of 485 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, no BS way to make money trading like the pros. And so, as far as trading like the pros go, I don't think this is exactly how the pros trade. Maybe some of them, but most of the professional traders don't use indicators like this, even the MACD, moving averages, stuff like that. But nonetheless, we'll put this strategy to the test. Like I said, as far as the source video's title goes, it's a little bit misleading, but again, that doesn't mean that this strategy can't be profitable. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is called the Setup 123 Scalper. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we're going to jump into the settings and we're going to make just a few modifications here. So basically make sure the bar colorations are turned off and turn off this plot right here. Then click OK. Everything else can stay on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is the MACD. This is just a standard moving average convergence divergence. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Like I said, it's a TradingView built-in indicator. Nothing too special about it other than it being a MACD, that is. And we'll jump into the settings, and under the inputs, we're going to change the fast length to 100. We're going to change the slow length to 200. We're going to jump into the styles, and what we're going to do is under the color 0, you're going to make it a nice vibrant green color, and then color 1 and color 2, you're going to turn the opacity down to 0, and the color 3, make it a nice vibrant red color, and make sure the opacity on these two are all the way up. Make sure the selection right here is on columns and not histogram, and then turn off the MACD and the signal line, and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for price to be trading below the large purple moving average right here from the Setup 123 scalper. And then what we're going to look for is the shift in the coloration from the thinner moving average. So you can see this one here is going from red to green back again. We're looking for when price is trading below the purple moving average, we're only looking for shorts. So what we're looking for is this thinner moving average line to switch from red to green and then back to red. And it does so actually right here on this candle here. And then what you're going to do is once it switches to the red coloration, you would go over here to your line tools, select a horizontal line, and you're going to mark the last kind of pivot to the downside right here. And what you would be looking for is price to then break below this line, and at the same time you want a red bar on the MACD. Now in this case we get all of these set up at the same time. So as this candle closes, It's breaking below this pivot here and or swing low. And then if you look down to the MACD, you can see that it also has the red column or red bar that we're looking for. And so that would be our signal to then enter into a short. We'd put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this real nice, clean, steady push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is when price is trading above the purple moving average line like it is here. We're then looking for the thinner moving average line to switch from the green to red, then back to green. And it does so actually right in here. And at that point, what you would do is select your line tool again and mark the last swing high, which would have been right here. And then what you're looking for is price to break that line that you marked. And as it breaks that line to the upside, we want a green column in within the MACD like it has right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'd put our trade right here. We'd put our stop just right below kind of this pivot area right here and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see again this real nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,600 for an overall loss of $4,000 altogether. So again, not the best trading strategy, and definitely not trading like the pros. Now, during the same period of time, the Academy of Forex Indicator did significantly better, and with the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly during that same period of time, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.